Okay, now my screen is back. Very weird. I think Zoom should have some updating, I believe. The whole scenario looks so different now. Anyway, doesn't matter. I find it very weird. Suddenly the Zoom don't know what on earth is planning to Zoom. We can't do much, by the way. Okay, Yiming, you can use a shaft. That how you create the lift hoistway, same method. Yeah, shaft, lift, shaft command here. If you don't want to use shaft, you can use the edit method. Yeah, it's all the same, no worry. But I realized one thing is when in structure, the problem is this. You know, Aki is okay, but only in structure. So sometimes either you want to cheat a bit, cut by 2-3 mm away, which is normally can't be seen. Then your problem will be clear. You know why? Because of too many connecting point here. Okay. So for modeling, normally what we do if you want to avoid this, you don't draw this straight away. When I say modeling and so-called construction model, okay, there's a difference also. All right, that means for this case, to clear all these overlapping, you can actually create your slab piece by piece based on the opening. Logically, of course, you can cut so-called the slab lah. Lay is one go, really construction. But because due to like you are applying a lift shaft and so on, which is some intelligence here, they don't understand the logic when it comes to multiple connection. That's why it behaves this way. So in certain area, you may want to do some adjustment to clear the setting. Yeah. Oh. So just like got to be aware of that lah, rather than don't know what to do and it show overlapping, which is not right. Okay, it should not be overlapping. Okay, so your staircase should look like this. All right. Now, if I want to show another method, okay, I don't do something like this, which you can see there's a what you call just now, the ledge coming up to do the support. I'll show you another type. If I don't want to do something like this, no meaning at all. Okay, so I'm going to delete my staircase away. You guys maybe will try another method. It's a precast, all right, which is let me clear the shaft tools also. Delete away. Then everything should be back. Come on, very slow. Something is accessing in the background, is it? Don't know what's happening. Okay, let's get back here. I'm going back to get staircase. Then this time round, I'm going to use precast to share with you the experience. So at least you better understanding. So duplicate. I call this same thing exit or evacuation exit whatever, or just call exits stairs. Same space 2500. mm. One thing good is when you create staircase in the different family types, you notice that the name can be repeatedly used, which is last time we can't. Start from 2012, we can, which is I like this. So same setting, I want a 160. Here I want a 300, let's say. This one, that's how 180, huh? Yeah, I think leave it at 180. Sorry, the 280. It should be, so this one should be 25, not 300. Leave it at 280. Commercial 280 is more than enough. Nosing, I don't want. Only Aki needs that. So 0. Okay. Profile we can't clear. So can clear be good, but we can't. Never mind. Leave it. Mm. Notice precast, there's a notch. Notch means what? An L shape that sit under the beam. Okay, that's how I mean by notch. Later, I can make this precast look like cast in place, but different design. Take a look, quite interesting. So for those, if you don't want to add the beam in between here, as I say, you can add stringer support, connect to beam. Remember, I mentioned just now, I say add beam here, too drastic, right? Don't do that. If you want to add beam, you only add one here at the rear. Enough already, right? Okay, I can share with you if you guys need that to that detail if you want to build. Also for your future understanding, right? Knowledge. Okay, we still have times, so I can show you a lot of things, hopefully. So here I'm going to create the first story to second. First to first. First to second. 19. Same, huh? 3-story height. No change. Okay, from here. Set it to right. Draw this. How come now go wrong? Left. Sorry. That's our 10 flight. Set it to 9. Let's see what happened. 9 created, 10 remaining. Okay, on this side. If you're not sure, actually, you can draw outside, then slowly adjust them in. It's okay, no worries. In line, cannot, see? Exited already. Never mind, leave it first. There's a warning, only for the notch, not so worry. So close it. Select your existing stair, move. Remember, when you're still in the construction mode, you still can move as and when. Like this. Okay, yep. So our landing, still adjustable, right? Drag this. Or you want to use the alignment tools also can. But now, because of this, my space narrow. See not? See a difference? If this is 2005, here must be the same. But now, due to the change. So what happened if my stairs, we change this back instead of 280, let's say default 250. Any diff? Not much kind of diff, huh? Yeah. So delete, delete, delete. Double check again. Make sure it's update 160, 250, and 2005. Okay. Track still stays at 280. Manually adjust 250. Very stubborn at times, so you got to change it yourself. All right. Please be careful. So if yours update, good. If doesn't, manually change it yourself. Okay. Back here, I start to draw again. Run. Left here. That sound nice. It's terrible. The design. Make it 10 here. Then same thing here. Snap somewhere. Finish it. A bit short. It's okay. As long as it's done, we still can manually move. Just select this part and you move it. See the difference of 30 mm makes a lot of difference. Move it. Okay. The notch there is supposed to sit here. So you can see how the design works. And you see this. This is same, but the notch should be like that. Yep. Okay. This is what we call precast staircase. But sometimes to create a precast staircase is quite costly because it's like a custom make. Okay, align. Nah, it doesn't. Holding shift, other one. We can only use the arrow tools. Adjust it. So here, 2.5. Good. Yep. We get the same staircase, but with a precast adjustment. All right, or added. So what happen if I'm going to add the shaft now? Same thing, huh? Finish it. Shaft again. Cut through. Or you prefer by sketch because here there's a notch coming out. The support here. Yeah. To here. Then goes in. Finish it. This one should not cut a hole. This one go all the way up. Okay, like this. Okay, so you look at the railing. It looks okay straight here. And you can see the landing. Now, to adjust this away, because you see that it actually sit it inside. See now, the shape look like this. So actually your beam will become a L shape, a custom adjusted beam if you're having a precast. So this particular beam, the shape should look like this. If you need to build, can be built also. You will need that. Okay. Now, let's say I like to cheat a bit because When this thing done, you can adjust this, select edit type. The notch here, set it to straight cut. Applies and OK. And you notice that your model now look like a cast in place. It's just that the landing count and the connection are nicely done. So now if I'm selecting this and paste to the level, I don't know why this guy only accept one at a time. Very weird. Hopefully now it support every level. Please, if not, gotta redo. Cannot. Must do one at a time. Ugh. Angry. No logic. See, one at a time is nightmare. Oh my goodness. The tool is not meant to be built this way. Well, not productive at all, man. Okay, so no choice. You realize one thing, if you're doing architecture now, the railing now, at least easier to let you create the connection because all are same height. So for those DA 2, if you are doing railing next time or learning, or you may be doing archi model, there's a video regarding how you can fine tune this staircase railing. For structure, you need not to worry this because not your job. Okay, if you guys can do a YouTube Google search, it'll show you how this thing can be done. All right, the other method is, which is not many people want to try, is when you draw your railing from bottom all the way up. It's very tough. Okay, it clash at times, but can be done. Yeah, very risky, so not worth it. Okay, questions? So it just now, if I don't want to add this, as I said, you can add stringer, right? How? Stairs, edit type, not multi-story. Yeah, multi it doesn't. See, when you select, it's multi-story. Remember, go inside, tab. Only one staircase to be selected. Then you can go to edit type. Okay, stringer is here. Right support, left support, middle. I want the middle one. Carriage 50. Let's see first. Should be super ugly and very small. A tiny thing. Huh? Not shown. Oh my goodness. Not shown. That's weird. That 400. How come it's not show? You guys can see now on your own staircase when you build that. By right should be able to see or to show. 50 mm is a bit weird. Should not be 50 mm. I just want to see how it fares, how it flare the thing out. Concrete. This one was gray, right? Okay, try to use back so the contrast color can be the same. Unless it's too thin, ridiculous. It should not be. Apply. Okay. Nothing comes out. What is happening to my structure here? Hmm. Stringer. Don't tell me they don't have a carriage. Stringer close, close. Let's see first, huh? Very weird. Apply. It's at the side. They have, but below here they not showing. See, this is more on the finishes. See that? That is for Aki to do, but not for us structure to add. This is mainly this. I don't want to see this. It should not be like this. None. Carriage 50 mm width. Depth 400 width 50. Maybe too thick, too thin. Let's try 800. 50 mm. Let's try 800. Apply. Should have something coming out now. Have not. Nothing's appear. Yeah, nothing's appear. Oh my goodness. So how to remedy this if it doesn't appear? Hmm? Okay, I give you a job to go and find out. See, you can tell me. I'll show you mine next week. Okay, so there's a few challenge here. All right, to clear this and to clear this. Of course, mostly for your structural model, I mean for your first assignment, you need not to do until that extent. Yep. What align? Jia Yi. Huh? Jia Yi, what align? No, align what? Use align what? Everything is done for the staircase. Maybe show me your screen. I stop sharing.
I cannot hear you. Hello, teacher.
Hello, can you hear me? I believe now should have echo. No echo? Because little bit. Yeah, this is what happened. Because just now the mic there very weird. Now I enable it. A bit of echo because one is from the PC itself. Now, as long as you can hear me, more important. Okay, don't worry. Just now, what I try to explain is, you know what stringer means? Stringer
Stringer
means
means
some
some
structure
structure
piece
piece
below
below
to
to
support
support
here.
here.
Then they
Then they
join
join
across the
across the
whole
whole
thing
thing
to the
to the
stairs.
stairs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why I
That's why I
say when
say
you
when you
go
go
to
to
the
the
school
school
at
at
the
the
sixth
sixth
story,
story,
you
you look at the staircase
near
near
the
the
student
student
council.
council. Yeah,
Student
student
council.
council,
Students
students
service.
service center.
You
You
look
look
at
at
the
the
staircase.
staircase.
There's one
There's one
solid
solid
piece of
piece of
concrete
concrete
below,
below,
in the
in the
middle of
middle
the
of the
staircase.
staircase.
That's why
That's
it's
what it's
called
called
stringer
stringer
in
in
architecture.
architem.
Yeah,
Yeah,
stringer.
stringer.
Actually, it's
Actually, it's
your
your
staircase
staircase
support.
support.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's
That's
how
how
what
what
you
you
show
show
me
me
is
is
this
this
alignment,
alignment,
right?
right?
So
This
it's
one is
fine.
fine.
The
The
alignment is
alignment is
okay.
okay.
But
But
that's how
that's not what I
try to
try to
show you
show you
here
here
is to
is to
add
add
the
the
structure
structure
support
support
here.
here.
Uh, this is
This is
what
what
I'm
I'm
showing
showing
you.
you.
Okay,
Okay?
but it
But
can
it
be
can be
done.
done.
You
You
can
can
do
do
what we
what we
call
call
modeling
modeling
tools.
tools
Structure
structure
is
is
called
called
model in
model in
place.
place.
Then you
Then you
can
can
build
build
a
a
suite
suite
tools.
tools.
But
But
normally
normally
for
for
staircase,
staircase,
no need
no
one.
need one.
It can
It
be
can be
generated.
generated,
I
but
don't
I
know
don't know
why
why
this
this
time
time
round
round
it's
is
not
not
showing
showing
me.
me.
I find
I
it
find it
very
very
weird
weird
also.
also.
I don't know
I don't
whether
know
it's
whether
big.
it's big.
Is it
Is it
because of
because of
multi
multi
story?
story?
That
That
means
means
if you
if you
select
select
your
your
staircase
staircase
as
as
disconnect,
disconnect,
let me
let me
remove
remove
those
those
that
that
don't want.
don't want.
See,
See,
remove
remove
also got
also got
issue.
issue.
Oh,
Oh my goodness.
see
See
that?
that?
Oh.
Oh.
You can
You
only
can
do
only do
one at
one
a
at a
time.
time.
My
My
goodness.
goodness.
When I
When I
try
try
2019,
2019,
is it
is it
something
something
similar?
similar?
Should
Should
not
not
be.
be.
So
So
Chia,
Chia,
you
you
know
know
what I
what I
mean
mean
just now?
just now?
I
I
mean the
mean the
thing
thing
I
I
want to
want to
share with
share with
you.
you.
Yes,
Yes,
hopefully
hopefully
understand.
understand. Huh?
Because I
Because I
find
find
very
very
weird,
weird,
it
it
doesn't work
doesn't work
on my
on my
set.
set.
So
So
that it
it
should
should
be
be
appearing,
appearing,
but
but
I
I
don't
don't
know
know
why
why
it's
it's
not.
not.
Okay,
Okay,
edit
edit
again.
again.
Should be
Should be
this one.
this one.
See,
See,
middle
Midas
support.
support.
This
This
name
name
doesn't
doesn't
matter.
matter.
The
An
important
important
thing
thing
is,
is,
one
one
number is
number
one
is one
thing. You
thing.
can
You
have
can have
two
two
numbers,
numbers,
but the
but the
size
size
that.
that.
Let me
Let me
see
see
what
what
is
is the
cost
cost here.
with
With
uh, structural
structural
depth
depth
landing
landing
300.
300.
Let's
Let's
try
try
800.
800.
Is it
Is it
because of
because of
this?
this? No.
Run.
Run.
Try
Try
800
800
and see
and see
how.
how.
Nothing
Nothing
top
top
out.
out.
VG.
VG.
Anything
Anything
hidden on
hidden
the
on the
staircase.
staircase.
My
My
worry
worry
is.
is.
But right
But right
should
should
not
not
also.
also.
Stairs.
Stairs. See what's happening here. Anything has been hidden.
No,
No,
see?
see?
Support
Support
able to
able to
see.
see.
Nothing
Nothing
has been,
has
see,
been. See,
support
support
has
has
actually
actually
be
been
enabled,
enabled.
but just that
Just
it
that it
doesn't
doesn't
show
show
on
on
my
my
model
model
here.
here.
Okay,
Okay,
it's
it's
very, very
very
strange
strange
today.
today.
It should
Should
not be
not be
happening,
happening.
but it
But it
just
just
don't want to
don't want to
work.
work.
How,
好，
Edgar?
来个加一，
你
你好
Your
，Your
staircase,
staircase how is it?
Same as
Same as
mine,
mine
or
or
better than
better than
mine?
mine?
Should be
Should
better
be
than
better
mine.
than mine.
This
This
staircase
staircase
is
is
killing
killing
me.
me.
I want to
I
show
want
you
to show you
something
something
extra,
extra,
but it
but it
just
just
reluctant to
reluctant to
work.
work.
Very
Very
weird.
weird.
They call
They
it
call it
undercarriage,
undercarriage,
correct?
correct?
Because
Because
this is
this
your
is your
stairs
stairs
below.
below.
In
In
that
their
term,
term lah,
undercarriage.
undercarriage.
Right?
Alright.
If they
If they
can't
can't
work on
work on
this
this
manner,
manner,
then I
then I
could
got to
use a
use a
custom
custom
method
method
to
to
do
do
adjustment.
adjustment.
But it's
But
not
it's not
showing me
showing me
anything.
anything.
Let me
Let me
see
see
whether
whether
if I
if I
create a
create a
new
new
one,
one,
it
it
happen or
happen or
not.
not.
Hold on.
Hold on.
If I
If I
draw
draw
something
something
outside,
outside,
staircase,
staircase,
key,
aki,
stairs.
stairs.
Just
Just
want
want
to
to
ensure
ensure
that
that
is it
is it
because
because
of
of
when you
when you
do
do
adjustment
adjustment
you
you
got
got
to
to
redo.
redo.
Okay,
Okay,
don't worry
don't worry
about
about
disappearing.
disappearing.
Yeah,
Yeah,
because
because
of
of
this
this
or this
or this
crop
crop
thing,
thing.
you
You
can
can
enable
enable
it.
it if you want.
Don't tell
Don't
me
tell
I
me I
draw my
draw my
stairs
stairs
on the
on the
story
story
again.
again.
Ah, expected.
Expected
Every time. Okay. Yeah,
Yeah,
still the
still the
same.
same.
It
It
doesn't come
doesn't
out.
come out.
See
See
that?
that?
Doesn't
Doesn't
come
come
out
out
yet.
yet.
Have this
Have
type
this
of
type of
setting.
setting.
Terrible.
Terrible.
Edgar, how's
How's
it?
it?
Yours
Yours
okay
okay
now?
not?
Yeah, sort of.
I mean, you have the stringer coming
coming
up.
up.
Sorry?
What I
What I
mean
mean
is
is
when it's
when it's
working,
working,
when
when
here
here
should have
should have
some
some
component
component
coming up.
coming up.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah.
yeah,
Have or
Have or
not?
not?
yeah.
Can you show
Can
to
show
me?
to me?
Oh,
Yeah. Mine just don't want to appear. I don't know whether is it precast.
wait, the component as in like the stairs.
No, it's just a smooth construction component coming up. Like just now what you see the support on the left and right, which I just
Yes.
clear away. Yeah, you should show it to me first. Let me see.
Oh,
Yeah, because mine's just a bit cranky. I don't know why. Headache.
uh,
Share a screen. Let me take a look.
oh, sure. I wasn't. I'm not at that step yet, to be honest.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay.
I,
Oh, you've done something. Right? Okay,
Okay,
then
then
take
take
it a
it a
challenge.
challenge.
Then I'll
Then
show
I'll
you
show you
mine
mine
next week.
next week.
Okay.
Okay.
As in like the stairs bottom area have
Yep.
those.
If you happen to
Happen
go
to
to
go to
school
school
next week,
next week,
you all
you all
take
take
note
note
the
the
stairs
stairs
near
near
beside
beside
the
the
when you
when
take
you
a
take a
lift,
lift,
go
go
down
down
behind the
behind the
exit
exit
or the
or the
one
one
near
near
the
the
school
school
student
student
service
service
center.
center.
When you
When
go
you go, let's
let's
say
sixth
sixth
floor to
floor to
fifth
fifth
floor
floor
to
to
lab
lab
lesson,
lesson,
you
you
notice
notice
the
the
stairs
stairs
below
below
there is
there is
a
a
concrete
concrete
sort
sort
of
of
beam
beam
that
that
follow
follow
the
the
profile
profile
of
of,
let's say
let's
my
say my
hand
hands
this
this
look
one
like
look like
staircase.
staircase.
See,
See,
there's
there's
a
a
beam
beam
connected
connected
below.
below.
Yeah.
Yeah,
This we
this we
call
call
stringer
stringer
support.
support.
This is
This is
the
the
top
top
level
level
beam.
beam.
This
This
is
is
the
the
sixth
sixth
floor
floor
beam.
beam.
You see
You see
this
this
white
white color
color
one
connecting it.
connecting it.
That's
That's
called
called
stringer.
stringer.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Which
which
is
is
I
I
want to
want to
show it
show it
here,
here,
but it
but it
doesn't
doesn't
appear.
appear.
Okay.
Okay.
If it
If it
doesn't
doesn't
appear,
appear,
then I
then I
got to
got to
custom
custom
build.
build.
I can
I can
show
show
you
you
this
this
if you
if you
guys
guys
want
want
to
to
learn
learn
next
next week.
week. Okay.
Okay,
But I
but I
give to
give to
you
you
as a
as a
challenge.
challenge.
See
See
how
how
think of way. How
how
can this
can this
thing
thing
be
be
appear?
appear.
Okay.
Okay,
So
so
staircase
staircase
up to
up
you
to you
guys. If
guys.
you
If you
prefer
prefer
to
to
draw a
draw a
precast
precast
or
or
cast in
cast in
place,
place,
by
by
all
all
means.
means.
As
As
I
I
said,
said,
railing
railing
need not
need
to
not to
worry,
worry,
not for
not for
structure.
structure. Anyway,
Yeah.
yeah.
Then I
Then
would
I
say
would say
that
that
you
you
guys can
guys can
submit.
submit.
If
If
you're
you're
not
not
sure,
sure,
don't
don't
worry.
worry.
No need
No
to
need to
draw.
draw.
I
But I
just want to
just want to
share with
share with
you.
you.
If
If
in
in
future
future
you
you
guys
guys
are
are
going to a
going to a
real
real
world
world
doing
doing
working,
working,
they
they
might
might
ask you,
ask you,
oh,
oh,
okay,
okay,
I
I
need
need
not to
not to
waste time
waste
to
time to
add a
add
beam
beam
at
at
three
three
corner.
corner.
You
You
just
just
need
need
one at
one
the
at the
center.
center.
Here
Here
need to
need
have
to
a
have a
beam
beam
that
that
connect
connect
the
the
support.
support.
So you
So
should
you
have
should have
one
one
up,
up,
one
one
down.
down.
Since you
Since
have
you
a
have a
beam.
beam.
Some
Some
they
they
don't
don't
have
have a
a beam.
beam.
They
They
straight
straight
away
away
create
create
the
the
support
support
all
all
the
the
way
way
connect to
connect to
beam on
beam
top.
on top.
That
That
means
means
it's
it's
a
a
whole
whole
piece
piece
joint.
joint.
But the
But the
height
height
must be
must be
high
high
enough.
enough.
Then
Then
they can
they
have
can have
that.
that.
Our
Our
height is
height is
very
very
low,
low,
3 meter.
3 meter.
So it
So it
might
might
not
not
a
a
good
good
way
way
to
to
design that.
design that.
All right.
All right.
Floor to
Floor to
floor
floor
height
height
is
is
important.
important.
Okay.
Okay.
So
So
if
if
ours is
ours
only
is
three
only three
meter,
meter,
it's not
it's not
ideal
ideal
case.
case.
So
So
you still
you
got
still
to
got to
draw a
draw a
beam
beam
across
across
to
to
support.
support.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All this
All this
design,
design,
again, there's
again,
no
there's no
route
right
wrong.
or wrong.
But
But
again,
again,
understand.
understand.
Okay,
Okay,
questions?
questions?
If
If
no,
no,
then
then
I'll
I'll
stop here.
stop here.
Why stop sharing? Stop
Stop
recording.
recording.